Hello and welcome. If you have outdoor sectionals like this, you've undoubtedly run into the same problem that we're having, which is they don't stay together. Even with light use, these are very easy to move. So they're always everywhere, especially if you have kids like we do who run and jump on them, then they're really everywhere. So I've tried several products for this, and the ones that I found work the best are these plastic furniture clips. These are really easy to use. They just snap on the frames on the bottoms in between each section, and they hold it together really well. The one thing that you do need to know about these are that they come in different shapes and sizes. For example, the first ones that I bought are square. These didn't work for me at all because my frames aren't this wide. So I switched to this type that has a smaller opening. That works much better, but again, it comes in different sizes. This one's thicker than this one if you can't tell. So my recommendation is you start by measuring the frames. Flip them over and take a tape measure, because these are listed by thickness. So if you know the size of your frames, you can buy the right ones the first try. So I will put a link to all of these down below, and you can find which one works the best for you. So if you enjoyed this video or you learned anything, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. That would help me out greatly. Thank you so much.